Alright, I just got my FPV crate for June in today. Let's see what we got inside this month. Alrighty, June FPV crate. Now this one came a little bit late this month. They said that was due to the chip shortage, so that tells me that there's something with a chip inside. As always, the thank you card. Stickers. They always have such artsy stickers. I kind of prefer just the regular brand name stickers. I don't know. Uh-oh. Gemfan props. And if I recall correctly, Bardwell just put out a video yesterday or the day before that these props were defective. Eek. We'll have to watch that video and see what happens. I'll put a link. What is this? Oops. Looks like some kind of LED. Oh, motor base LEDs. Huh. That's interesting. I guess you put these in between or underneath your motor, underneath the frame? How does that work? Alright, so 2 LEDs and simple plus minus 5 volt. Do they change colors or I don't know. We'll mess with that later. This must be the big thing, and I'm already not impressed. Xilo Stax F4 flight controller. I already have one. Oh, okay. I was hoping it would have been like the JB flight controller or something. T-shirt. What is this month's t-shirt? Divecoin, FPVCrate.com, getFPV.com. Yeah, that's cool. That's it. I'm not really impressed with this month's box. This is the second box I've gotten. I signed up because of the JB Edition box, and I'm like, heck yeah, this box is awesome. And the box after, it's just, meh. Nothing I really need. Seems like it's going to turn into another quad box thing where I just got drawers and drawers full of crap that I've never used. I mean, I've got quad box stuff from 2014 unopened. I've got brand new F3 flight controllers, stuff that's way outdated, just went to waste. I don't know. We'll give it another month, I guess, and see what happens. Alright, so now that I've had time to calm down for a little bit, looking back at this box, I went ahead and wanted to see what these lights were all about, so I soldered a lead to them real quick and hooked them up to my bench power supply. And these things are actually really bright. It's kind of cool, but I don't fly at night. I fly at dusk, I guess. But these things are really thin. So, quad box. Oh, crap. That is, oh boy, veneer scale. It's a little shy of a millimeter. It looks like a millimeter to me, but this is saying it's just shy. Yeah. Am I going to use these? No. They'll be destroyed in a couple flights. Now, looking at this F4 flight controller, I was really kind of upset. And that's because I already have Xilo Stax. I've got the JB Edition Xilo Phreakstyle, and it came with that flight controller. And then I thought about it. The main reason I'm upset is because I got this in the last box, the Bardwell QAVS frame. And I'm thinking, awesome, I'm going to do a total Bardwell build with the F7 and all this great stuff. It's going to be awesome. And I got this, and that just broke my heart. But you know what? I put maybe, I'd say at least 100 packs through this thing. And a little bit of minor tuning and a bunch of modifications. This thing flies really well. And it flies really well because it has this flight controller. So if you don't have a flight controller already and you're looking to do a build, absolutely I'd recommend this flight controller. It's a great flight controller. It works great. So for those of you that need a flight controller, this is a good choice. So props to you for getting this in this month's box. I was just being butthurt because I wanted that JB board. But I could use this for testing or for a backup or just maybe, I don't know, some random build I do. But yeah, other than that, the t-shirt's okay. I don't know. I was just so wowed by last month's box, the JB box, that I was expecting something to match that, and this is nowhere near matching last month's box. Oh, and the Gemfan props. Bardwell just released a video yesterday saying that these props are being called defective by Gemfan, the F4 props. And this is what they sent out in the box. What, 3 sets, I think? And by defective means they break really easily. So I'm not going to use these at all. Why bother? I'm not going to risk the quad, or I don't know, have to change them. I don't even like the color, really. Not my color. So yeah, this month is just a wash, but like I said, we'll give it another month and see how it goes. Alright, see you next time.